Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Nissan Juke in part exchange. It's not a usual stock at this age, but it's in such nice condition. We're just going to take it for service and MOT. Bodywork's in lovely condition. Rear privacy glass. Alloy wheels, tyres all look in lovely condition. Very nice and tidy in the back there. Rear parcel shelf. Electric windows and mirrors. Just start the car up. Sounds lovely. Air conditioning. So 108,478 miles. It's got satellite navigation, auxiliary USB, reverse camera, some maps there for your satellite navigation. Really is in lovely condition for its age. So it drives very well too. Electric mirrors. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.